In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate your account in Exness quickly and correctly from sign up all the way to full verification so you can start trading without delays. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official Exness website, which is www.exness.com. And then you see that you have two options, sign in and of course, the register an account. All I have to do is simple, just follow the on-screen instructions. Matter of fact, to make the account creation faster, you can also sign up using your Google account. And then once you've verified your account, on the dashboard, you need to complete your profile, which is the activation step. All I have to do now is click the complete button, which can be found on the top right corner depending on the layout or your account type. And all I have to do now is, you see that I have already confirmed my email address, confirmed my phone number, and all I have to do now is complete the profile information. Click the complete now. You will notice that you have steps 1 to 12. All I have to do is simple. You just have to continue answering as much as you can, and you can be honest in providing all the information here, which will affect on the account tools you will gain access to once your account has been fully verified, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once submitted, Exness will review your documents. This usually takes a short time, but it can vary. Once your account has been fully activated, you should be able to see a notification stating that your account has been fully verified, and now you can start trading. Click deposit and choose your payment method like bank transfer, card, or e-wallet depending on your region. Once funds are added, your account is fully active and ready for trading. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to activate your account in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.